Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today my pool is being restored after almost 2 years of non-use. What happened was that the liner was broken. It was still retaining water. That water was so dirty. We did not get to use it last year. So it's being replaced today, the liner, and I guess it takes 3 people to do it. There are 3 guys, and I just got up. My husband was already dealing with the process, but I just got up and I'm filming through my bathroom window. So not only are they replacing it, there are going to be 2 truckloads of water later on. So I'll bring you to that when the trucks come. For now, I am zooming in. Let's see what they're doing. They're talking pretty loud, but I can't tell what they're saying. It sounds like they're arguing, but I guess they're not. That's just the way they talk to each other, I guess. Let's see. Oh, there's another guy here. So how many? Let's see. Oh, so there's 4 altogether. I had only seen 3. So there's a guy going back there, I guess, to dump the rest of the water. But they're doing that little by little with, I guess, with buckets. Back there. Back there. There's one. Maybe one of them is supervising, I don't know. Oh, okay, so then, see the one coming from back there? What is he doing? Let's see. Oh, no, it's not the water. First it was the water that they were dumping back there, but now they're dumping all the other stuff, like material from the old liner. You see it? So I cannot wait for it to be ready to use. At least it's early July, and I know that by mid-July it'll be ready. I mean, maybe in 3 days we could use it. I don't know. Usually my hubby is the one that maintains it, so it'll probably be ready to use in about another week. I don't know how long it takes, but let's see. Let's zoom in to see what the other ones are doing. What are they doing with that? So they're getting rid of all that stuff. Well, I think I'm going to bring you to a second part. Or maybe 3 parts. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to end the video here. And I will link the next video to this one, once that's done. So I hope that you stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.